Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Ceylon EMS and TENS circulation stimulator for feet and legs. This is an electric foot massager for the living room or the bedroom with 4 electrodes. Really nice. So a device can be, because this can have a good workout for you if you are using such devices to stimulate your body, of course. And in this device here, there are 2 functions in one. First, of course, the good old EMS. Electrical muscle stimulation or electromyostimulation. The brain sends an electrical signal to the muscle via the central nerve system so that it contracts. This effect is used specially in EMS training. The current, which usually comes from the brain, is simulated via the suitable position that electrode and reaches the muscle via the motor and the plate. By changing the EMS irritations frequency, different areas of the muscle fiber spectrum can be used different stuff. The 2 up to 4 seconds long pulse with the stimulus current alternate with a pauses between 0 and 6 seconds. During the impulse phase, the muscle is brought over its stimulus threshold and muscle contractions occurs. The intervals mimic the natural muscle movement. In order for the human muscle to be activated, the brain usually sends impulses to the muscle. By using this simultaneous current, the impulses in the EMS training are not sent from the inside, but from the outside via the nerves to the muscle, though they can contribute during the impulse phase and relax during the breaks. In combination with movement, this effect can be enhanced and the muscles can be built up faster. And in this case here, you have to sit for that, because that is chill out area. And we can make a chill workout at home. Only get in this position on a seat. Have a seat there. Get the foods on top of it. Start your workout with different strength levels of the machine, with a lot of impulses, with a less of impulses, and so on, and then you can have a workout there for an half hour or something else. But at the same thread, you can use transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, TENS or TNS. Really nice for medical use, of course. This is a device that produces mild electrical current to stimulate the nerves for the therapeutic purpose. TENS, by definition, covers the complete range of simultaneously applied currents used for nerve excitation, but the term is, of course, often used with a more restricted intent, namely to describe the kind of pulse produced by portable stimulators used to reduce the pain. The unit is usually connected to the skin using 2 or more electrodes, which are typically conduction-gelled pads. A typical operated TNS device here comes it because we can enter into the system with this, get it into it, start the workout, and it will be with us. And we get a TENS against pain, against fatigue, against everything out there what's bad for you. That's good for us, of course. This brings us joy. This brings us health back. So TENS and the additional part of EMS comes here to the Ceylon EMS and TENS circulation stimulator for feet and legs. There's an electric foot massager for the living room or bedroom with 4 electrodes on top. Nice and easy operated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Dun dun!